let me show you how to cook with our mojos. So you start with olive oil. We're gonna do like 4 tablespoons. Then we're gonna add our white mojo, which is our onion and garlic. 2 tablespoons. Then we're gonna add the red, which is our peppers, our smoked paprika. 2 tablespoons, and then we're gonna add our green, which is our cilantro caper sauce. It has cilantro, garlic, peppers. We're gonna mix all this together. Look at that. This is already starting a base of flavor for all your dishes. The onions, the peppers, the fresh cilantro. And then we're gonna add the chicken. We add our chicken back in that we just marinated. We add the chicken. Then we're gonna add some wine. We're gonna add some wine. You can do broth as well. And then season it with a little salt. And that's it. You can cover this, cover it, and let it cook for 20 minutes. And that's your meal. Quick and easy.